Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power seats are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2013 all the way up to 2016. The fuse you want to check is located in a passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot behind this cover. To remove the cover, just pull it towards yourself and you will get access to all of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be right here. It's a 25 amp. This is actually a circuit breaker. And the best way to test it is just try to replace it with the one above it, and if that fixes your problem you will just have to buy a new 25 amp circuit breaker and that will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.